Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you some new products that I found from LA Colors line at my local Dollar Tree. With that being said, let's get started. LA Colors got new products and I got one of each to try them on here with you guys. Let's go ahead and show you what I got. I got this LA Colors Too Cheeky Bronzer, Bronze Babe shade. That says new up in the top. I also got the LA Colors Too Cheeky Highlighter on the shade Enchanted. And we got the LA Colors Smooth Creamy Full Cover Matte Lips in the shade Beloved. Then we got the liquid eyeshadow Stardust. Last but not least, we got the Too Cheeky Blush, shade is Temptation. Let's go ahead and open these up. This is a pretty shade. I like these. And they all stayed in the front, what they are. Right here at the bottom, you guys can't see it well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Highlighter. Blush. Eyeshadow. But as you guys can see, it lost some of its color, so I'm just patting it down. The matte lipstick. There are some issues here and there, but only with one product, but they are really good. Okay, let me get into this, guys. So all of these went on really smooth. You can build them up, put a little bit, put a lot. How you apply this one reminds me of like the Rare Beauty, and the color is very beautiful. So this is very blendable, very buildable. You can put it subtle or a little bit more. Like I said, very beautiful. I really like the color of this one. Let's go with the highlighter. Highlighter, look at that. Can you guys see my highlight? I think I can see it more in person, but this works a lot. I was kind of skeptical about the liquid highlighter, but I like it. Then we have the bronzer. The bronzer does its job as well, so super happy about this. This shade was a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I like it because you can bronze up the face with that, and I think it looks nice, like a little sun kiss kind of moment. I really like this. The eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is very pretty. Look at that, guys. It has like this shimmer, but it's staying. It stays in place. The issue that I had with the eyeshadow was that I was trying to blend it out, but it took away the product. So if you're gonna apply it, make sure you pat it down. So it's not a major issue, but I really like this eyeshadow. It's very nice, very pretty, very everyday, or even for a night out. The lipstick is very pretty, reminds me so much of fall, Thanksgiving time, even Christmas time. I mean, it's very pretty. It does look lighter on my lips than it does on the actual lipstick, but I have no problems nor issues with that. Final rating. I'm gonna go ahead and do them all together because that's how much I like the products. So out of 5, a 5. I would give them more if I had my scale a little bit higher, but a 5. Each one gets a 5. These are a must, guys. I really like them. I really like how they apply. They're buildable, everything. And no, it's not sponsored. It's my opinion, guys. If you guys find them and if you guys have the means, your time, go ahead and get them. These are a steal for your money. Like for $125, not including the taxes, I really like these products. They remind me of like the Rare Beauty, the Wet n Wild bronzer. They're like little mini dupes. Of course, your Dollar Tree may vary, and they might get the products now or they might get them later. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.